Can you give us a little bit of a spoiler as to what we'll see in the video for you, for Rachel and I?
Well, you'll see, of course, our Jollibee cast in their Independence Day attire. And they're going to be dancing a lot.
There's a lot of dancing in it. There's a lot of surprise guests in the video as well. Some of them we've seen on the stage from earlier. And Carla, let me tell you, sometimes, there are points in the video when you see it, you're like, ibang klase. It seems like they shot in every single island in the Philippines. Every Pinoy well represented in that video.
But are you even surprised? That's just how awesome Jollibee really is. They want us to really feel the pride and the joy of being Filipino, which I love.
As they say in basketball, Carla, and you and I are very familiar. Last 2 minutes. We are down to our final 2 minutes as we count down the Independence Day. And we were saying earlier, a lot of Filipinos here we're very proud of. Let's take this moment. Palakpakan din po natin yung mga sa ating sumayaw all throughout I've ever been a part of.
I'm so excited to count this down. How many more seconds do we have?
Now, it's also great, Carla, that we're able to do this and still give away so much to all of our friends here. Like we said, as we have 30 seconds left, we're giving away